Hello everyone guys, today I will show you what to do if the LMC camera does not work. Here, for this we will have to go to settings. Next, find the app here. Next we will need to find our camera here. Here it is, let's go in here. Next we need to clean it, yes. Next, turn on the notification. And that's the way it is. Next we'll need to go into the app's permission and give all permissions to that app. Here, and accordingly restart the phone. Oh, you also need to clear the cache. This is how to clear the cache. That's it. And then you restart your phone. Damn, how to reboot it here now. Here, reboot, and after rebooting, the app will work. I was with you everyone, bye.